Recently, ZEEKR unveiled the interior design of the ZEEKR 9X, which adopts a minimalist design style and is equipped with a large ceiling-mounted screen. The ZEEKR 9X is scheduled to be officially launched in the third quarter of this year. The center console of the ZEEKR 9X follows a relatively simple design, featuring a fully digital instrument cluster, a multifunction steering wheel, and a large floating central control screen. However, a row of physical buttons is still retained below the central screen. The front end of the co-pilot console includes a storage slot with dual phone placements, both expected to support 50W wireless charging. In addition, the driver's seat electric adjustment buttons are positioned on the interior door panel. The vehicle also adopts a column-mounted shift mechanism. The ZEEKR 9X features a 2+2+2 6-seat layout. The seats are expected to be wrapped in genuine leather, with the second row consisting of 2 independent seats equipped with leg rests and built-in speakers in the headrest. Moreover, a large ceiling-mounted screen is positioned in front of the second row, offering rear passengers an enhanced entertainment experience. Currently, the ZEEKR 9X is available in 2 body colors, white and black. In terms of design, the vehicle adopts a tough and muscular exterior with a large front grille, similar in style to the ZEEKR 009. It features a split-type headlight cluster, with the upper section incorporating a horizontal light strip. A roof-mounted LiDAR unit is also equipped. On the side, the ZEEKR 9X comes with conventional-style door handles and a blacked-out A-pillar, creating a floating roof effect. The wide D-pillar features the ZEEKR logo and is fitted with 22-inch mirror-finish forged wheels and cameras located on the front fenders. At the rear, the ZEEKR 9X sports a through-type taillight cluster and a rear spoiler. It is reported that the vehicle will be equipped with an opening panoramic sunroof. In terms of dimensions, the ZEEKR 9X measures 5,239 mm in length, 2,029 mm in width, and 1,819 mm in height, with a wheelbase of 3,169 mm, positioning it as a full-size SUV. According to the official statement, a Black Warrior edition of the ZEEKR 9X will be launched, and all variants will feature 3-second level acceleration capabilities. Official data indicates that the ZEEKR intelligent driving system boasts a computing power of up to 23.5 EFLOPS and is equipped with a digital chassis and 5 LiDAR sensors, enabling 4 360-degree omnidirectional perception capabilities. In terms of powertrain, the ZEEKR 9X is equipped with ZEEKR's super electric hybrid technology, adopting a full-stack 900V high-voltage architecture. The 2.0T super hybrid engine delivers a maximum output of 205 kilowatts, while the front and rear electric motors produce 290 kilowatts and 370 kilowatts, respectively. It accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in as fast as 3.1 seconds. The vehicle is fitted with a 70 kilowatt-hour traction battery, providing a pure electric range of 380 kilometers. It supports a 6C charging rate, allowing it to charge from 20% to 80% in just 9 minutes. Additionally, the vehicle features a dual-chamber closed air suspension and a dual-valve CCD electromagnetic damping system, offering a maximum height adjustment of 110 mm and a highest ground clearance of 288 mm. The vehicle has been dubbed by netizens as the Chinese Cullinan. What do you think of this vehicle? What do you expect its price to be? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates on Chinese automobiles.